the time a roof problem becomes visible inside your building, it's often already costing you time, money, and risk. On the other hand, most major roofing issues can become reconciled long before they become emergencies through inspections and site visits. An inspection provides a comprehensive roof evaluation and formal report, while a site visit focuses on a specific concern or issue requiring expert assessment. Whether you're addressing a leak, evaluating building conditions, or planning future capital expenditures, a professional roof inspection provides the data needed to make confident decisions. At Nations Roof, inspections go far beyond looking for leaks. Our comprehensive inspection evaluates the roof from multiple angles, including membrane conditions, seams and flashing, drainage performance, penetrations, safety hazards, warranty-related requirements, and overall roof health. The inspection process follows a deliberate design to ensure nothing gets missed. First, we inspect the roof perimeter, examining edge metal, coping systems, scuppers, and other areas that are often exposed to the greatest weather-related stress. Next, we systematically evaluate all seams in membrane transitions, where many roof leaks begin long before they're visible inside the building. From there, we inspect penetrations, curbs, drains, rooftop equipment, and other critical details that can impact waterproofing performance. Finally, we perform a complete system-wide assessment, documenting overall roof condition, identifying safety concerns, reviewing warranty-related items, and capturing photo documentation for reporting and future planning. With documented condition data, facility managers can improve budgeting predictability, support long-term capital planning, extend life performance, and reduce risks across their portfolio. Most commercial roofs should be inspected at least twice a year, typically in the spring and fall. Facilities exposed to severe weather, heavy rooftop traffic, or critical operations may benefit from quarterly inspections. Protect your building, your budget, and your peace of mind with actionable roof intelligence from Nations Roof. Schedule an inspection or site visit today and gain the clarity you need to make smarter roofing decisions. Nations Roof. National coverage, local service, trusted results.